How to add C translation on your Instagram bio. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram app and make sure to log in with your account. After that, you have to go to your profile, which is in the right lower corner. And here you can see there is no any C translation option for you, because the C translation option is seen to your profile by the another person. So in order to add C translation option in your profile, you need to give your bio in different language. For example, if you keep your bio in any other language like Urdu or anything that people need to translate and see, then there will be automatic C translation feature added by the Instagram. So for adding bio, you have to go for the edit profile option, and from over here you can see there is a bio option. So you can tap and type here anything that people need to translate and see, and after that you have to tap on write option, and by doing that your bio will be visible over here. So whenever the other person see your profile, then there will be C translation option in your bio. So by following this simple step, you can add C translation on Instagram bio. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.